Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do sway combs. Obviously it's going to be a really good idea if you already know how to do some of the combs. My advice would actually be to do the comb specialization video, which gives you all the basic 16 combs, so none of them are going to catch you out, and because there's a couple of unusual ones in this one, and it's also a really good idea that you know how to do a sway. Links in the description below. Assuming you're ready, it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So let's break it down. It starts off man's right, lady's right. Standard sway beginning. We go back, right to right. As we wrap the lady in, remember to get your nice hand position for the lady on the hip as opposed to twisting the wrist up, which is an old-fashioned way of doing it that's not very comfortable or flattering. Ladies are offering the left, guys are going to pick that up, and as we sway the lady back, we're going to take this left to left grip and comb the lady. So this is a left to left lady comb. So we go over the top, down to the shoulder and release. We're going to come back out, and as we come forwards we're going to re-pick up the hand. Now as we go back, we're going to take the left hand, we're going to duck a little bit, guys, because it's going to go over our head, and we're going to bring the lady's arm across our shoulders. We're going to release with the right hand, send the lady forwards, turning her towards us, so turning her to the lady's left, slide the hand down the arm. Preparation for a spin, well, return spin, change places. So it's basically a Wurlitzer changing sides. Guys getting out of the way to the left, spin through, and catch however you want. I generally catch left to right because it feels more natural because of the way my body's turning. So let's do that again with some numbers from the other side. We go. Semicircle back. 1. Wrap in onto the hip. 2. Picking up the hand, combing the lady on the sway back. 3. Re-picking up the hand as we go forwards. 4. Combing over the fella and across the shoulders as we go back. 5. Sliding the lady away. 6. Getting out of her way, prepping the spin, change places. 7. Spin through. 8. And catch. 1. So let's do it to a count. Here we go. Right to right. All together. 5. A 6. Sway. Combs. We go a back. Wrap. Comb the lady. Then comb the guy, slide, prep, spin through, and catch. And that is that. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and we really do appreciate it because it helps promote the channel. And as a result, it helps promote dancing generally, which is brilliant. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.